their DPM down and then they've thrown that straight on, which is great for us. We've broke that. So that, when I say broke it, it doesn't work. Yo, morning, this is day 2 of this rear extension. So we've got Sean here, we've also got Steve out the front. We're just loading out, getting ready for digging this lot out. So if you want to know how we go about doing this rear extension, like I say, this is day 2. We're going to try and film every single day of this project, the whole shebang. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do. Link is in the corner. It's completely free to do so, and it makes me feel very, very happy knowing that you've enjoyed this episode. So yesterday we took all of the outer framing down, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure to check that out. That was interesting. We had to smash all the glass in the roof, which got me covered in glass, which was amazing. So now we're taking down the outer wall. Iron ore's in. He doesn't want to use any machinery, he just wants to do it all by hand, because that's the kind of guy you are. It is. Beast. Yes, gun show. And it is, there is this thing in the sky, right up there. I think it's called a fireball or something. It's been a while since we've seen it, but it is kicking out a bit of heat, which is nice. So we're going to take down this side a little bit more sensitively, because there is some pipes down there, so we've got to make sure the pipes are okay. That's why iron ore is taking it out by hand. I think he's going to want to dig out the whole footings by hand because he's a bit of a weirdo. But hey, that's what he is. Just like me, that. We don't want to judge him, he is who he is. So the plan is we'll take this down, we'll get all this flooring out. We've got a skip loader, which Steve's leaning on right now, and then we've got the micro digger. Ideally, you want to be using a 1.5 ton digger for your dig outs. But because of restrictions going down the side, we can only get a micro in. So don't like using a micro, because you'll see later on in the video how sketchy they can be, because they're very, very wobbly and not very stable. So yeah, lots to be getting on with. And this wall has got my name written all over it. Okay, so we are way further on. I think we've got the new paddling pool sorted, ready for the old sun. So it's a little bit of a challenge, in fairness, breaking this out. Now, it is reinforced concrete, where it's got a steel meshing, although that has been installed incorrectly. So what they've done, they've put their DPM down and then they've thrown that straight on, which is great for us because it means it actually makes life a lot easier to break it up in some ways, because what that's supposed to be is set up off there like like so, so you've got a gap underneath it, and then that way the concrete surrounds the whole thing and then makes it a proper reinforced bed. It's great for us because they haven't done it properly. It's also like the 7 Cs underneath. So you've got some areas of concrete where it's quite thin, down to about 60 mil, and other areas where it is like that one down there, where it's probably about 150 mil. So, bit of a weird one. Quick update as well, we've broke that. So that, when I say broke it, it doesn't work. Now, I drove it to there, as you've seen. We knocked a little bit of the wall down, and now it's stopped. So it doesn't work. So we're now waiting for a replacement, which is really annoying because we really need that now to start scooping out all of this area. So we're getting there. So I'm going to take you out the front. I'm going to show you how much of all of this lot coming down. Steve's on the track barrow. How much of this lot is actually out the front now. So as with anything, we always put the boards down, protect all the surfaces and all the rest of it. So that is what the waste is right now. So we've got a load of it there. And we've got a grab hire that's going to be coming in. The reason why we use grab hire, because if you imagine that inside of that, we're going to use a lot of skips. So grab hire is booked in for Friday, I believe, which will make life a lot easier. Get that gone. It's a lot cheaper. But we do need the digger. We need the digger now to really start cracking on. So as you can probably gather, there's a lot of work, manual work to do that. Dirty manual labour. Yeah, but we're getting there. We are getting there. I've also capped off the radiator pipe that was there. I was a bit naughty. I've done it live. And what I mean by I've done it live is I didn't drain all the system down. I just went for it. I went brave. I was frightened. But hey, it's done. I've capped it off, ready for Sean to break it, because Sean and pipes, they don't mix. Right, so we've had a digger replacement, and like sod's law, when Martin turned up to swap it over, he started it straight away. Now he said that it was the kill switch, but Sean could back me up on this, that I tried it, and it was, no, don't do it, right? Don't do it, right? Shawnee, did I try that?
You did. He obviously didn't push it in hard enough, though. He's just a little weakling.
Oh, yeah, sparky hands and all that. But I tried it, and it didn't work. But then Martin, either way, they swapped it out. And
he looked impressed, though, Martin.
He looked very happy with me, in fairness. He did, didn't he? He was chuffed to see me. And, yeah, either way, we've swapped the digger. And we've actually got a worse digger, because we haven't got a quick release on there now. But either way, such is life. So we've been digging out for quite some time. Shawnee's been getting on with it's worked out quite well actually with all three of us. So Steve's been on the dumper. Sean's been on the old breaker non-stop. So we've found a bit of time team here. So we've got an old curb step that we found. There's another something, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Time, oh sorry, got to do time team. Right, what we got here? It's a bit Dave Dickinson's, isn't that? I've gone Dickinson. I've got to get back into character for my. Yeah, I've got to.
Tony.
What we got here, Tony? That's better. Yes, I'm back. Right, what we got here? We've got a right little bit. We found another little drain that's just been buried down here. Look, time team. Here we go. Now that's a bit naughty, I would say, because that was underneath the slab. So we've got about 20 minutes now left of the rest of the day. So we've got about 20 minutes left to get as much out as we can because we've got Grab coming tomorrow. Grab's coming tomorrow, and we've got to go and look at a barn conversion. So better get cracking.